Greater Grace Temple Taylor presents Hallelujah Harvest, October 21st, 2016. There will be vendors, fun, food, games, candy bags given out to the children. This all begins at 4 p.m. We will present our Laser Praise concert featuring Tim Bowman Jr. Our Master of Ceremony is DeRico Lloyd. Guest soloists James Murray, Church Boy Will, Danny Reynolds, and our Mind Ministry from Greater Grace Temple Taylor will be performing. We'll also have All Lives Matter Reviewed featuring the Sun Drummers and Solid Foundation. Eddie Colburn featuring Tommy Gunn, Walker, and Band. This is all at Greater Grace Temple Taylor, 24111 Koths Street in the beautiful city of Taylor, Michigan. Bishop Gary Harper is our pastor, and the event chair is Sister Deborah Vandervoort. You can reach us at www.ggtoghm.org or call our church office at 313-295-4472.